Yo, what's up guys? It is actually a big day because I'm gonna be dropping in the motor into this guy. So I'm gonna remove the hood and the front bumper, and then from there we're gonna go ahead and drop it in. I did already mount one of the motor mounts in there. The other one I'm gonna leave on the motor itself, try and make it easier to get it in there. I looked at like the trans mount and stuff yesterday, so right now my goal is just to get the motor in there, and then I'll probably slowly start piecing some stuff together.
It's better. Almost there.
What's up?
Yep. Keep going.
Tilt enough and then I can straighten up. Went down because I can see it.
Does it push this whole thing back?
And then I'm gonna actually come back and tighten it down. Right?
We're good to go down.
All the way?
We should move this thing though.
Yeah. You want me to get some grease, or it's kind of too late now?
Too late.
Next one.
Yeah.
So. Now it should be on.
Yep. That's as far out as I'm going.
All right. So we just finished up working on my M3, getting the motor in finally. It's been a long process. And then put the front bumper back on and the hood, which I removed both of them obviously to make it easier to drop the motor. Yeah, that actually went pretty smooth. Obviously I got to keep just plugging along. I got all the wiring and the drive shaft and the rear diff that I'm still working on right now. But I got to get all those back into it. Honestly, it's not too much to do. The drive shafts I already have. I have all the hardware, the wiring. I just got to go through and clean it up. That's probably what's going to take the longest, let's be honest. Other than that, should hopefully have that car up and running soon. So, see what happens. Fuck off till the next one.
Do you want to do another?
Do you want to say anything? Because you didn't say anything. You just stand there and look pretty.